Good morning, everybody. Myself, Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'll discuss quiz of the day. It is on the topic of Wheatstone bridge circuit, which we call as WB circuit. So it is one of the important topic in current electricity of class 12 physics. And in this Wheatstone bridge circuit, we have a combination of 5 resistances which are connected to a source of battery of voltage V as shown in the figure. Now the first question which arises is balancing condition. So here the bridge is said to be balanced when current through this R5, the central resistor, is 0. Then we say the bridge is in balanced condition. Now if current through this is 0, so these 2 points, let us name them as 1 and 2, will be at the same potential. Now applying KCL, KVL on this loop and this loop, we come to the conclusion that balancing condition is when R1 by R2 is equals to R3 by R4. So this is the balancing condition of the resistances. So this has been derived using KVL and KCL. You can search my concept videos for the detailed explanation. Here is the condition only. Then in the next question, assuming that bridge is balanced, we need to find current. So if the central resistor is of no use, so we can see that this resistance can be redrawn as a linear combination of R1 and R3 will be in series, whereas R2 and R4 will be in parallel, and together these will be in parallel. So we can write I as V divided by R equivalent, where R equivalent will be equal to R1 plus R3 multiplied by R2 plus R4 and divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. So that will be the current in this particular branch. Then we need to find I1. So I1 can be found from here. So suppose here the total current is I. So here let us say current is I1 and here the current is I2. So we need to use two equations. The first one will be I1 plus I2 is equals to I, and second, these two resistances are in parallel, so current will be distributed in inverse ratio of resistances. So we have that I1 by I2 is equals to R2 plus R4 divided by R1 plus R3. So using these equations, we can eliminate I2 from here. So I2 will be I1 R1 plus R3 divided by R2 plus R4, and if we substitute the value over here, we get I1 plus I1 R1 plus R3 by R2 plus R4 is equal to I. So I1 here will be I R2 plus R4 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 in the function of I1, I2, R1, R2, etc. Similarly, we can see that by symmetry that I2 will be equal to I into R1 plus R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. So using the symmetry, you can solve the questions. So you have seen that we have solved a number of questions on the WB circuit, and basically quiz of the day is just to give you instantaneous question out of any point, so that you have a random access of memory and you just learn how to connect your brain and the three levels of mind, and especially the use of subconscious mind to get connected to the unconscious mind. In case of any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.